Red bird, red bird, red bird, red bird!
So, I guess a saying that the red squawhawk birds are the hardest of its species to catch. That's a load of lies, isn't it? Before we get things started, I've got to tell you, I'm very eager to find out what supernatural power you've got. Since in just a moment, I'm going to jab this needle in your neck, drain out your essence, and use it on myself. So what is it? Superhuman strength? Magic healing powers? I guess telepathy's ruled out now, isn't it? I would tell me, Scrawhawk Beast. You're going to be a lot redder by the time I'm finished.
J'ai vraiment beau cul, diable blanc. Mais c'est trop pour toi.
Hey!